So what you got here is well-washed greens, and you got a spinner, you know, so you take that, and this is indispensable for a salad expert or a salad eater. And then you got in here, you take that aside, there's your greens, all ready to go, okay? And I just take them out like that. I'm ready to chop. It just takes a second, of course. So this goes over, I got a little pepper, all right? That's a little serrano pepper I've got there, okay? So I'm just going to have about that much tonight, about half of it. And then I have a clove of garlic. I always have garlic every night. And then you just chop it up, and you're ready to go. Every night it's different. People ask me, Dr. Bob, don't you get tired of having the same thing every night? No, I don't. I really don't. Got the special plate here. This is a special plate. It was made by Cunningham. So it's homemade, or handmade I should say, and homemade I guess. And so there's the greens, there's the garlic, there's the hot pepper. Okay. You got an avocado on there. Okay, avocado. Half a lime. Always put a lemon or a lime on it. Dr. Bob's hemp seeds. Love hemp seeds. Probably the healthiest of all the seeds. Got a really perfect balance of fat in there. Salad number, I don't know, 20 years of salads. That's how I do it. I do that every night. Oh, I forgot something.
We all go a little mad sometimes.
Some sprouts. And that's some healthy stuff, and that's a healthy salad right there.
Get in my belly!
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button so you don't miss any of my health updates.